Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to draw a child in inverted style. Friends, this is going to be super awesome and please stay till the end of this video and this might blow your mind. Friends, I'm Vishwa and welcome back to my channel. So as I said, today I'm going to draw a child in an inverted style and I'm so pumped up because of this drawing because I have done some couple of drawings on this inverted style, but drawing a portrait on inverted style is kind of tricky and it is beautiful. So as you can see, I'm drawing right now and in between I lost a clip. Sorry for that friends, but this video is going to be good, and after watching this video please consider subscribing if you haven't, and please share this video to your friends and it will be great. And please support our channel by subscribing and sharing and liking and commenting, all those things. And yeah friends, everything depends upon your support and hopefully I'm moving forward. Friends, I'm just using my HB and 2B and 10B pencil, nothing more than that, and blending stump for blending and my white gel pen and mono zero eraser also, just highlighting tools. It's not important, you can use needle eraser. This is how it looks if it's inverted. And friends, I have said I'll be doing an how to draw video on this style soon, so I think I'll be posting that video on the next day itself. So the video will be coming out on Friday. Let's see. Friends, I have done 124 videos till now, so a lot of you guys haven't watched it yet, and if you already watched it, superb, and thank you friends. And if you haven't watched it yet, just go and watch some of those which you are interested and it will be great. And friends, I have got a lot of suggestions to draw in color pencils, and I love color pencils a lot, but I don't know why I'm sticking with this graphic, but I'll be doing some color pencil drawings soon. So I'm signing it now. It is completed and here is what it looks after drawing, and here's what it looks in. That's it friends. So if you are new to this channel, I'd love to have you subscribe right here and turn on the post notifications, and if you like this video please give a thumbs up and share with your friends, and thank you so much for watching friends. See you on the next video. Bye.